Hello everyone, how are you? Um, Today we are going to discuss about the virtual function. Virtual function. Okay, let's take an example. Say we have class base and in public access specifier we have the function called display having this one. Next we have this one, class derived public base, and here we are writing here that the signature of the function will be same. I am writing void display and writing cout derived. Next int main, I am writing that derived OB. Just take it as I am taking the base class pointer, base class pointer P, and again taking another base class object, and here I am writing OB P display. Okay, and next I am writing this one, that derived class object, say OB1, and here I am writing P equals to ampersand OB1. So now P holding the object of derived class, and again I am going to write P display. So the desired one is the compiler select the function according to the content of the pointer, not the type of the pointer, according to the content of the pointer. This one is desired. So here our desired result will be like base and derived. But unfortunately we can see the result will be base. Because the pointer to object of derived class are type compatible with the pointer to object of base class here. Pointer to object of, see here the pointer to object of derived class is type compatible with base class. And here the compiler ignores the content. Compiler just ignore the contents and choose the function that matches with the type. So here it is matching this pointer, that means the P pointer is matched with the base class pointer. So whatever will be the content, it's just ignore it, and every time it's calling the base class display function. C++ provides a solution to invoke the exact version at runtime, and here the base class function can be overridden by the function of the derived class. And the virtual keyword provides a mechanism to define the function, and that's why say here I am writing, instead of only void display, here I am writing virtual I'm writing it virtual void display. Now you will see the result as base and derived. You can see this one. How? Question is how? Whenever you are writing the virtual keyword, that time the concept is it's like a bucket which is half filled and half empty. So if you are writing virtual here, that means it is expected that the information which is not here completely given, it can be given in the next, that means the next level, which is a derived class. Display function defined in derived class, that compiler ensured that the right display will be invoked. Writing this one, the right display will be invoked. So here in this case, when we are using the virtual, as you can see that the right display function will be invoked, and not like that if you are using the multi-level. Say here I am writing that class D1 public base, and here it is public display D1, and next one I am writing display class D2 public D1 and public void display cout D2. Next, see this one. We are using here base P and base OB1, D1, OB2, D2, OB3, and you are writing here P OB1, P display, P OB2, P ampersand OB1, P OB2, P display, P ampersand OB3, P display. Now the result will be base D1 and D2. Not like that which one is immediately derived from the base class, which one has a virtual function. Only for this one, immediately derived one will get this property, that is a half filled one. Not like this. All this one, that is which will be derived from the base, multiple levels can be there, but most recent version will be invoked. Most recent version. So here the most recent version is D2. And consider one thing, if we don't have this one, if we don't have display function for the class D2, that time we will get D1 and D1, not base. So most recent version will be used. What happened? Each class having the virtual function has its own V table or the virtual table identifying its virtual function. Say for example, here we have the base V table, base display has its own V table. Similarly, for D1 has its own V table, because here the display function is virtual. So after that, whatever will be the display function having the same signature, it's actually getting the virtual property. These things, that means it is considered as half filled. It can be filled later. Hope you can understand. If you have any question, you can comment.